Let's dive straight into 3 power verbs. So these are going to be I want, I need, and I have. You're going to find yourself using these types of power verbs all the time. Also, make sure that you're familiar with the vocabulary from First Steps, because we're going to be using a lot of the filler words in this module as well. Make sure that every time I ask a question, you pause the video in order to give yourself the time you need to think out your answer. Always take your time, do it step by step, do it slowly, really think out your answer, and then continue with the video. In order to get the maximum amount of benefit, it's very important that you think out your answers for yourself rather than just listening and repeating. To say I want in Spanish is quiero. So we have QUI for qui and then ero, quiero. In English we have the I here, but Spanish verbs work quite differently. It's actually the O here in the verb that indicates I. So anytime we have a verb with O at the end, it always means the first person, I. So I want would be quiero. Try to say it now for yourself. I want. Quiero. Quiero. To say I want it, we have to change the word order. That would be lo quiero. So in Spanish, they put the it way up front. It, I want. Lo quiero. Try to say it now for yourself. I want it. Lo quiero. To say I don't want it, it would be no lo quiero. So we have no, lo quiero. No lo quiero. Say it now for yourself. I don't want it. No lo quiero. How do you think we would say, I don't want it now? No lo quiero ahora. The word for tomorrow in Spanish is mañana. This N here, ña, has that kind of a sound, mañana. How would you say, I want it tomorrow? Lo quiero mañana. What about, I don't want it tomorrow? No lo quiero mañana. The word for today in Spanish is hoy. Hoy. This H, remember, is silent in the pronunciation. Hoy. Try to say, I don't want it tomorrow, I want it today. And remember to pause if you need time to think it out, step by step. No lo quiero mañana, lo quiero hoy. So, no lo quiero, I don't want it. Mañana, tomorrow. No lo quiero mañana. I want it today. Lo quiero, it I want. Hoy, today. The word because in Spanish is porque. So we have por and que. Porque. How would you say, I want it because it is very important? Lo quiero porque es muy importante. So I want it. Lo quiero because, porque, it is very important. Es muy importante. Here's an even longer one. How would you say, I don't want it because it's not very important for me? No lo quiero porque no es muy importante para mí. So, I don't want it. No lo quiero because, porque, it isn't very important. No es muy importante for me, para mí. The word for good in Spanish is bueno. Bueno. How would you say it's good? Es bueno. Try to say, I want it because it's good for me. Lo quiero porque es bueno para mí. I want it, lo quiero, because, porque, it is good. Es bueno for me, para mí. The word for and in Spanish is y, spelled just with a Y, has that E sound. Try to say, it is important and I want it tomorrow. Es importante y lo quiero mañana. So it is important. Es importante. And I want it y lo quiero tomorrow, mañana. Try to say, I don't want it like that. No lo quiero así. Do you remember how we had words ending in ARY going to ario in our first steps module? So necessary would become necesario. So we have necesario. It belongs to the category where words ending in ARY go to ario in Spanish. So we have necesario. Try to say, I don't want it because it's not necessary. No lo quiero porque no es necesario. So here we have, I don't want it. No lo quiero because, porque, it isn't or it is not necessary. No es necesario. Try to say, it's necessary and I want it. Es necesario y lo quiero. How would you say, I want it because it's important and necessary? Lo quiero porque es importante y necesario. Lo quiero, I want it. Because, porque, it is important, es importante, and necessary, y necesario. So this stuff is pretty exciting, right? Because verbs give you power in the language. Even with just a few small things, you can start to say quite a lot. And this is the real excitement that we can get from learning verbs. I'll see you now in the second video.